So, next thing is you overturned. You desired high is too high. You want it a little bit lower, the rack. So, what is to do? You cannot to turn the switches. First, you have to start it in direction down. Also the rack is too high. You bring it a little bit down, 2 feet. So, we will do this. So, the LED is on. The controller is off. You don't need, also it's running down, so you can stop it. The controller is off. And now you turn clockwise. Clockwise means you bring the gear near to the piston. Also the running time is shorter. You see? It goes up to this. So, then you start it again. You push the button up. The LED goes off, the motor stops, and the rack is now a little bit deeper. You can see the information, what it meant when you turn 1 time with this key, what the distance is. You can calculate it easily, that you know how many turns do you have to do to bring the rack a little bit deeper. I do it normally, I bring it a lot deeper and start it from this point and bring to the desired high. I think this is a better way. But you can see what, by the way, you can also see what I show on the real motor inside here on this drawing, what's happening inside the motor.